What's up everyone? In this video, I am showing you our supplement template. It's available right now in ad sections for 25 bucks and it looks absolutely incredible. It's based off of Space Goods and I'm going to show you how everything works. So beginning at the top, we have this dynamic countdown date. It's there to build FOMO and it resets every time someone visits the page. The goal here is that you want to build that FOMO. People do not want to miss out. You can only get this special within the next 6 hours and you're able to change that over here. Now we have the second announcement bar. That's to reduce buyer friction and you're starting to see a lot more e-commerce brands use that. For example, with Space Goods, they also have the 2 announcement bars. Now, as we get to the hero, as I mentioned, everything is fully customizable. Even the color of the background, you could add different images, even port in different products. So maybe you want to port in a different product. Badges are fully editable. Benefits are fully editable. The icons are fully editable. Even here, the date is dynamic. So I'll show you how the date works. Let's just say I ship within like 5 days. So I'm going to click on save here and you'll notice that the date is the 16th. Once you set that up, it's automatically going to show 5 days ahead. And this, we've made it fully customizable. Maybe you want a different badge because you have a different brand. You just have to click save each time because, Shopify Builder is a bit archaic, but everything here is fully editable. As we scroll down, we now have the logos. All you have to do is just upload your PNG or SVG logo and it'll show cleanly here and it looks beautiful on mobile. Next, we have the benefits and this scrolls down. All you need is a nice hero product, a nice hero image behind, and you can list all your different benefits and add as many as you like. After that, we have our UGC section. You could upload your UGC videos. Right now, we're just using placeholder. With the UGC videos, the cool thing about them is you can have them on autoplay. You could have a static thumbnail. You can do whatever you want. It's built in, it's Shopify native, and it's lightning fast. After that, we have the text marquee. You could change colors, you could change text. We give you the ability to do whatever you want, even the scroll speed. You could have it really slow or you could have it really fast. And I keep having to save now because it's the only way to show you. After that, we have the ingredients. Now, as I said, this landing page could be used for any type of product, not just ingredients. This section is more so why us, our story. And I'll show you how easy it is to even change just an image. For example, if you're a cosmetic brand, you can easily just put an image of someone using your product and you can say it's vegan friendly. So we've made it super customizable. Again, even the background, if you want to change the color of it, we've made it all simple and easy for you to do to brand it towards what you sell. Underneath, we have, again, just more reinforcing sections, trying to build trust. We have the icons, we have the lifestyle image. Same thing on the split side, we have the lifestyle image, and we have all these different checkpoints just reinforcing. Then we have the compare chart, where you could show a picture of your image versus their image. This looks great on mobile as well. And finally, we have the footer. Now I'll show you what that looks like on mobile just very quickly. It's clean, it's stacked, it's beautiful, it's mobile first, and we absolutely love it. So if you're selling products on Shopify, it doesn't have to be cosmetics, it doesn't even have to be anything related to supplements, any product, even if it's an electronic, you could use this template to increase conversion rates. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you want to get it, all you have to do is go to ad sections, go to the dashboard, and you're able to purchase it for $25. Also, another cool thing is we're beginning to deliver ChatGPT prompts. So when you purchase the page, we're going to be giving you prompts so that you could actually fill out the page with conversion copy. Everything we design and develop on ad sections is based on our agency results. So you'll be able to get good high converting copy that has been engineered and learned off this exact template. So everything that we put onto those prompts has been tested, has been trained on this template. I want you guys to have a great day, and if you have any questions, just feel free to ask in the comments.